Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a job update from the Telangana State Public Service Commission, Hyderabad. They are recruiting for assistant executive engineers in various engineering services. So the detail of number of vacancies and name of recruitment are here. So they are recruiting online. Applications are invited online from qualified candidates through the Performa application to be made available on Commission's website www.tspsc.gov.in from 22nd of the September to the 15th of the October. Okay, so the details of post are here. Name of recruitment: first, AE is civil in PR and RD department, Mission Bhagiratha. Number of vacancies are 302. Qualification: BTech in civil. Next, AE is civil again. Number of posts are 211. Qualification is again candidate must have a BTech degree in civil engineering. Next is AE is civil in MA and UDPH. Number of vacancies are 147, and here the recruitment, the essential qualification for recruitment is must possess a BTech degree in civil plus pass in section A and B of AMIE civil examination. Next, AE is civil in TW department. Number of posts are 15, and candidate must have a BTech degree, BE or BTech degree in civil examination. Next is AEE in INCAD department. Number of vacancies are 704, and here the essential qualification is according to the branch. If it's for civil, then BTech in civil or bachelor degree in civil. Mechanical, bachelor's in mechanical. Electrical, then bachelor's degree in electrical engineering or electronics engineering. Agriculture, then bachelor's degree in agriculture engineering. Okay. Other than this, AEE mechanical in INCAD GWD, number of posts are 3. Essential qualification is BE or BTech in mechanical. AE is civil in TRNB. Number of vacancies are 145, and here this is again for the civil. Next is AEE electrical in TRNB. Number of vacancies are 13, and here the essential qualification is BE or BTech in electrical engineering. Okay, so the total number of vacancies are 1540, and the qualification is BE or BTech only. And here the pay scale will be same for each and every post. The pay scale will be 54,220 to 13,330, and age limit will be 18 to 44 here. So the detailed notification will be available on the website, Commission's website, on 15th of the September. So you can see there the detailed notification. It will be available on Commission's website. The website link is already given in the description box. You can check there, and it will be available from 15th of the September. Okay guys, you can go for it. Thank you. Stay tuned to the IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.